You said you had like 40k left.
Oh, right. Okay. What put 50k back?
You try very good, very good. Learning.
Put your hands up!
When it comes to money, I know everything.
Wait, what?
What? Hello? I'm like the Jew at the beginning.
Well, that was a surprise.
Oh. Now you're back. Oh.
Did you kill someone?
Yeah, it spawned in and some guy had an AK in my face.
Wait, there's a robbery at the gas station. You didn't kill the guy. So Ulysses, he's still robbing it, dude.
Oh shit! That almost was bad.
He's still in there, so there you go.
I killed him.
The Canadian gangsta A.
There's another one! There's another one! What the fuck? Where is this guy shooting me from? I don't have eyes on bodies. He's getting shot up. Not shot up, but he's getting close. I had to move. Oh shit. Oh yes, thank you for being a bad shot.
Jesus Christ, he just wrecked all of them.